In this video, we will introduce you see how to use the watermark. So everyone, before you want to use the watermark, you need the social account right here. After that, you need to upload your logo or your watermark. Please notice that your picture is a PNG file. So how to setting your watermark? Right here you can see the picture where you uploaded. At a position, you can choose where your logo will be shown at your picture. At the side, you can adjust small or big and transparent. After that, you can save. Successful. Now you will test. At a file manager, click a picture. Choose your social account. Test watermark. Stop. So you will see the content is being published on OneDrive files. Now we will check as schedule. The public. View post. Now you can see your logo you will be shown at all of your picture. The test watermark Stackposts. That's all. Thank you for your watching.